The DJI Neo 2 has finally popped up in the FCC database, and that's a pretty big deal. Why? Because FCC certification usually signals that a product is cleared for the US market and almost ready to launch. This filing is the first real confirmation that the Neo 2 is not just a rumor anymore. It's on the way. And while it might not be DJI's flashiest drone, it could end up being one of their smartest moves. Whether you're someone who's flown a drone before, or you're completely new to the hobby, the Neo 2 looks like it's built to meet you right where you're at. The Neo series has always been about accessibility, giving people a taste of DJI's technology in a small and easy-to-fly package. Now, the Neo 2 seems to take that vision to the next level. From smarter safety features to camera improvements, this drone is shaping up to be a solid option for anyone who wants high-quality performance in a lightweight, portable frame. And while we don't have every detail yet, the early information suggests that this could be a sleeper hit for DJI in 2025. So let's break down what's new, what's rumored, and why the Neo 2 could quietly become one of the most fun drones to fly this year. First up, the design. From the leaked prototype images, the Neo 2 is keeping its mini drone silhouette, but DJI has made some thoughtful refinements. The double-layered propeller guards are the most noticeable change. Unlike simple guards that just prevent damage to props, these seem more robust, designed to make the drone safer indoors and more beginner-friendly overall. It's a design choice that screams accessibility, which is clearly the focus here. Pair that with a sleek, lightweight body that likely stays under the 249-gram threshold, and you've got a drone that avoids heavy regulation in most regions. For travelers and casual pilots, that's a massive win. Now, let's talk about the camera because this is where things get really exciting. The Neo 2 is rumored to pack a 1/1.3-inch sensor. That's a serious step up from the original Neo, bringing in improved low-light performance, sharper images, and more detailed video capture. This kind of upgrade suggests DJI is positioning the Neo 2 not just as a toy or a basic starter drone, but as a legitimate creative tool. Combine that with the possibility of 4K recording at higher frame rates and a color profile geared toward editing, and suddenly this compact drone starts to look like a pocket-sized production machine. Of course, a better camera only works if the software backs it up, and DJI seems ready to deliver. Their active track system has been evolving for years, and the Neo 2 might introduce the latest version, Active Track 6.0. If true, this would mean smoother subject tracking, smarter detection, and more natural cinematic movements without requiring a skilled pilot behind the controller. Imagine capturing running, cycling, or even indoor shots with reliable subject lock. It's the kind of feature that can make beginners look like pros. Add in HDR photography and improved dynamic range, and it's clear DJI wants this drone to punch far above its weight. Safety and flight stability are also rumored to see major improvements. The original Neo was a little limited when it came to obstacle avoidance, but the Neo 2 is expected to feature sensors on the front, rear, and bottom. That means safer flights in complex environments, fewer crashes, and a lot more confidence for those still learning how to fly. Pair that with stronger wind resistance and more efficient aerodynamics, and the result is a drone that feels reliable both indoors and outdoors. There are still unanswered questions, of course. We don't know the exact battery life, what storage options it will support, or whether DJI will offer it in bundled kits like the Fly More combo. There may even be a new controller design on the way. And if history tells us anything, DJI probably has at least one surprise feature tucked away for launch. What's clear though, is that the Neo 2 isn't trying to replace the Air or Inspire series. Instead, it's carving out its own niche. A fun, safe, capable drone that lowers the barrier of entry without compromising on the essentials. And honestly, that's why it could be one of DJI's smartest releases yet. So, what's the takeaway here? The DJI Neo 2 might not dominate headlines like DJI's premium drones, but that's kind of the point. It's not trying to be the biggest or the most advanced. It's aiming to be the most approachable. By blending safety, portability, and upgraded creative tools, DJI is making it easier for anyone, regardless of skill level, to capture stunning aerial footage. That's a pretty big deal because drones are often intimidating to newcomers, and the Neo 2 looks like it's built to remove that barrier. With smarter tracking, stronger obstacle detection, and a more capable camera system, This little drone could end up becoming the go-to choice for creators on the move or casual flyers who just want something reliable and fun. It's practical, it's user-friendly, and it seems to carry enough pro-level features to make it exciting even for more experienced pilots. So, what do you think? Could the Neo 2 end up being DJI's most underrated release of the year? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your take. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Technify for more reviews, comparisons, and updates on the latest drones and tech gear. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy flying!